Hi, here's a quick tutorial on how to remove anything using Photoshop. So in this example, I've got a dog here that I want to remove from this photo. Now I need to unlock the layer first for a start by clicking the padlock. Go to the Lasso tool. I need to press the left mouse down while going around the object. It doesn't need to be exact. As close as you can, really. Now it's selected. So go on Edit, Fill. Then from here, you select Content Aware. And click OK. And you see it's disappeared like magic. So I can undo that. So that's how it was, and that's how it is now. Give it a try.